Hello everyone and welcome to today's presentation on honey. I am Ravin Guraga, student of Nantan Institute. Currently I am enrolled in the course of Health and Social Wellbeing. This presentation is a part of my course, Nutrition Through Life Span. Today's topic is about honey and its medicinal benefit. Presentation outline. So regarding in this presentation outline, I will be discussing about what is honey, historical aspects of honey, socio-cultural aspects of honey, Buddhist aspects of honey, nutritional benefits of honey, medicinal benefits of honey, recipe prepared using honey, intervention study summary, and finally there will be my references in my list. So what is honey? How do we define the term honey? Honey is a natural juice of flower which is collected by honeybee. It is believed that honey is being used from around 5,500 years back. 4,000 years ago, the Egyptians practiced the art of beekeeping, especially along the Nile Delta, and with their hive, kept track of the flowering of plants. And while talking about the social cultural aspects of honey, Greek used honey as a food of God. They used to believe that it's a gift given by the God. And in Christian religion, in Christian New Testament, John and Baptist is said to have lived for a long period of time with the help of the diet of wild honey. And in Islam religion, there is an entire chapter in the Quran called Al-Na, the honey bee. According to the word and deeds of the Prophet Muhammad, honey is strongly recommended for healing purpose. Quran promotes honey as a nutrition and a healthy food. While talking about the Hindu religion, Hindu religion also promotes the honey. It is widely used in Hindu religion. In temples, honey is poured over the god and goddesses, and it is regarded as the holy medicinal value elements in Hindu religion as well also. And while talking about the Buddhism, in Buddhism, honey plays an important role in the festivals of Madhu Purnima, which is mostly celebrated in uh, the South Asian countries like India, Bangladesh, and some parts of Nepal. In this Madhu Purnima, Buddhists remember this act of giving honey to monk. The monkey's gift is frequently depicted in Buddhist art. So, medicinal benefit of honey. So, honey will helps to reduce the stress. So, if we will take 15 ml of bee honey, that helps to reduce our stress. And honey also gives us energy. The same amount, that's the 15 ml of the bee with fruit juice twice a day helps to make us strong, or it gives us energy. And honey also gives the good sleep. With the same amount, 15 ml of honey's bee leads to a sound sleep. So honey bee also improves our vision power. It improves our vision. 10 ml of honey mixed with carrot juice and consuming it regularly improves our eyesight. So, and the next problem, if you have the bad breath, that also could be reduced removed by this honey. 5 gram uh, of honey bee which is mixed with cinnamon and consumed with a warm water helps to reduce the bad breath. And if you have the problems of asthma and cough, if we mix the honey with lemon or either ginger in a warm water, that also helps to remove the ulcer and asthma. And if you have the sore throat, common cold, diarrhea, those things also could be removed, or that means they also can be cured with the help of honey. Honey is very valuable medicinal herbs, medicine, sorry, not herbs. Lemon and honey tea. Here is the one recipe about lemon and honey tea. To make this lemon and honey tea, we need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of honey, and half cup of hot or mild water. So to make this recipe, we have to put the lemon juice and then honey into the uh, half glass of water, and then we have to stir it. So then our the recipe will be prepared. Now here I have the summary of an article. I went through one article called Wound Healing Activity of Honey, a Pilot Study. So this article was written by Kumari VK and Niteshwar. It was written in the year 2012 in India. So it's a journal article. I have kept the references of this article in the reference page as well also. So while talking about this, uh, the aim of this study was to evaluate the changes in physical and morphological properties due to the tropical application of madhu, that's called honey, uh, on fresh traumatic wounds or cutaneous wounds. And here the abbreviation used in these articles like UTH, that means unit healing time, TDRH, total number of days required for healing, and IAW, initial area of wounds and square centimeters, DLC, differentiate leukocyte count, ESR, FBS, PPBS, etc. And after the abbreviation, so while talking about the author, I already discussed about the author and participants. Uh, so in the participant inclusion criteria, patients having cutaneous wound with classical signs and symptoms, patient without any sort uh, systemic diseases in the age group of 10 to 70 years of both sex with were selected. So exclusion criteria means before the age of 10 and after the age of 70 they were excluded. So independent variables, patient having wound between the age of 10 to 70, they are the independent variables. And dependent variables means site of the wound, site of the wound pain, etc. And then key result: honey has antibacterial and wound healing properties without showing any adverse effect. According to the data, honey works as a pain relief among 80% of research participants within 15 days of observation. So it shows the honey is the most important uh, elements for wound healing. And now finally it's my last slides, and then here I have my references. So these are my references which I have included in my research. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed my presentation, and then thank you so much.